Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is modifier and logical meaning. Sentence says a substance from the licorice plant 50 times sweeter than sucrose was recently discovered is not only a natural sweetener but also prevents tooth decay. Look here, first modifier, and that is 50 times sweeter than sucrose. Actually, this is modifier for a substance, but it seems that now it is talking about plant. So the plant is 50 times sweeter than sucrose. One problem. Second, a substance was recently discovered, and substance is not only a natural sweetener but also prevents tooth decay. So look here, there are two verbs for one subject. When two verbs are used for one subject is called run-on sentence, and run-on sentence is not accepted in sentence correction. Alright, so option A out. Let me repeat, two errors. One is modifier error. It should modify substance, but it seems that it is modifying licorice plant. Why? Because it is close to it. Second one, there are two verbs. One is was, second is, and subject of was and is same, that is a substance, but there is no conjunction between was recently discovered, is not only a natural, so there should be conjunction. So missing conjunction makes the sentence run on, and that is not accepted in sentence correction. Option B, a substance which was recently discovered from the licorice plant 50 times sweeter than sucrose is okay. Now, so this is modifier, again this is modifier, and again this is modifier. So there are three modifiers for a substance, and now the real sentence is a substance is not only natural sweetener but also. So option B is okay. Option B is fine. Now let us move to option C. A substance from licorice plant which was recently discovered. So look here, modifier, which was recently discovered. It seemed that plant was recently discovered to be 50 times sweeter than sucrose. Actually, as per sentence, it is not licorice plant, but it is substance. So incorrect modifier, right? If you remember, or if you know, whenever there is comma after which modifies previous noun, and that is plant. All right. So option C out. Option D, a substance from the licorice plant 50 times sweeter than sucrose which was recently discovered. Now, which means what? Plant was recently discovered, same error. Actually, it is not plant but it is substance. Why? Because whatever comes before which, that who, it modifies previous noun, and that is why subject of this was is plant. So plant was recently discovered, and this is extra modifier. Alright, so option D out. Option E, a recently discovered substance 50 times sweeter than sucrose from the licorice plant. Now what the sentence says, 50 times sweeter than sucrose from the licorice plant. So this sucrose is from licorice plant, but you know that sucrose and the licorice plants are two different types of species, I mean plant species, or two different types of plants we can say. So these are two different things, and that is why option E out. B becomes best option.